My name is Emma Winfeld. I go to Nicholson Catholic College in Belleville.
And I'm Emma Riley, and I go to Nicholson as well in Belleville.
Great. So what have you guys been doing at the Poverty Challenge this morning?
Well, we've been taking on different roles and characters that are in poverty, and they're actually based on actual people that have been interviewed.
We've been trying to navigate social programs in these identities, like housing and lawyers and loans and things like that.
So of all the social programs and stuff you had to deal with this morning, what was the most difficult thing?
I think the most difficult thing was realizing how harsh the people in the social services can be towards you, because they don't have a lot of time to invest in each individual case, and they may not care that much about each individual story. So it's hard to realize how harsh they can be, even though you're in such a devastating situation.
I found two things, I guess. The first one would be how things just snowballed. When one thing goes wrong, everything goes wrong, because you might not have enough money, but then you need money to apply to certain programs. And then the other thing would be how the government gives conflicting stipulations. They'd give you $800 to spend on housing, but they tell you need a 3-bedroom apartment, and that's just impossible, right? So it's just one of those catch-22s. There's nothing you can do.
So if there's one thing that you could take as a lesson from today and go ahead and fix instantly in the real world, what would you change?
I would change the stereotypes. That's what really bugs me. When people don't care and they say, "Oh, our tax dollars are going towards welfare and all this stuff," but they don't understand how people feel. I'd really like to change the views people have on it.
I guess sort of the same thing as Emma said, just get rid of the stereotypes and treat each case as an individual. Granted, there might be the odd person who would abuse the system, but you have to look at each case and say, okay, no, they actually deserve this and they're working hard.
Great, that's awesome. Thank you guys for doing it.